Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. How to book Air Canada Business Class. A step-by-step guide. Is business class on Air Canada really worth it? To book Air Canada Business Class, visit their official website and input your travel details, selecting business class. Browse available flight options and choose the one that suits your schedule. Enter passenger information and select payment methods, such as credit card or Aeroplan points. Review and confirm your booking. For additional services or upgrades, check My Bookings after completing the reservation. You can also contact customer service or explore promotions for special offers on business class fares. Visit Air Canada's official website, navigate to aircanada.com as your starting point. The official website offers the most direct booking options and often the best access to business class availability. Create an Aeroplan account if you don't already have one, as this will be essential for earning and redeeming points. Explore Aeroplan points options. Air Canada's loyalty program, Aeroplan, allows you to book business class flights using points. The number of points required varies based on distance and demand. For example, a business class flight within North America typically requires between 25,000 and 70,000 points, while international routes can range from 60,000 to 180,000 points. Check flexible booking options. Use Air Canada's flexible date search tool to find the best deals. Business class availability and pricing can vary significantly depending on the day of travel. Try searching within a few days of your preferred date to find optimal options and potentially save points or money. Consider partner airlines. Air Canada is part of the Star Alliance network. You can book business class tickets on partner airlines using your Aeroplan points. This expands your routing options and potentially offers better availability or value for your points. Understand advanced booking windows. Book well in advance for the best business class availability. Air Canada typically releases business class award seats 355 days before departure. Set calendar reminders to book as soon as flights become available, especially for popular routes or peak seasons. Maximize credit card benefits. Link an eligible credit card to your Aeroplan account. Many premium credit cards offer additional benefits when booking Air Canada business class, such as priority check-in, lounge access, and bonus points earning. Consider cards like the TD Aeroplan Visa Infinite or American Express Aeroplan Reserve. Navigate business class categories. Air Canada offers different business class products: Signature class for international and select North American routes, and business class for shorter routes. Understand the differences in service, seat configuration, and amenities to ensure you're booking the experience you want. Use expert booking strategies. Consider these advanced booking techniques. Book one-way flights separately if it offers better availability. Look for sweet spot routings that require fewer points. Check for last-minute business class upgrades using points. Monitor for dynamic pricing drops during off-peak times. Understand cancellation and change policies. Familiarize yourself with Air Canada's business class booking policies. Most business class tickets offer more flexible change and cancellation options than economy tickets. Know the fees and deadlines associated with changes to protect your investment. Access additional perks. When booking business class, take advantage of included benefits: priority check-in and security screening, Maple Leaf Lounge access, priority baggage handling, extra baggage allowance, priority boarding, premium onboard dining and amenities. These straightforward steps will help you navigate the process of booking Air Canada business class flights effectively. Remember that availability and points requirements can vary significantly based on routes and seasons, so flexibility in your travel dates can often lead to better options and value. Contact Air Canada's dedicated business class booking desk for personalized assistance if needed, especially for complex itineraries or special requirements. They can often access additional availability and provide expert guidance on maximizing your booking experience. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.